super insane, guys. I'm not really trying to pay full price. You know how I am, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this right now. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited DoorDash promo codes. So as you guys can see right here, they're currently adding them to my account, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this onto your device. So basically what this is, it's like a modded app. It's super cool. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, I got $174 in my balance. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works. It's super cool. It's insane, bro. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with DoorDash. So as you can see right here, I have this app DoorDash Plus. So all you have to do is open this up, guys, and then just go over to your account. So once you go over there, guys, you are going to see your balance. So unfortunately, guys, I'm not really rich. I only got $24, but you can see this button that says add promo code. So press on that, and it's going to say all available promo codes are being added to your account. Please don't touch the screen. So now we have to wait for this to load. It's usually pretty fast, so let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load. All right, let's check it out, gang. Ooh, okay, so as you can see, guys, it's currently adding all available promo codes to my account. So let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. So anyways, guys, once it is done, as you can see, I got $174. Dang, bro. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. So what you need to do, guys, is just go over to Google. And once we're there, we're going to go over to ZoomOdds, and we're going to go over this site, and we're going to go to the search bar and just type in DoorDash. And as you can see, guys, it will pop up. It should pop up. Actually, I think it's on this other website, so let me just show you guys that. It's actually on this site, Zest Coupons. But before we go there, I do want to just do one final check, because it might be on this site. This is a site that I think they had to take it off the site because it wasn't working, or like it was getting reported, but I swear it was on here, but I guess it's not. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go over to the website now and show you guys, since it looks like there is no DoorDash modded version on this site. So the other website where we can download this is zestcoupons.com. So let me just type that in right here. So once you get over to this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in DoorDash. And as you can see, it says DoorDash promo codes. Press see more, scroll down, show coupon, unlock code, and you're going to be all set.